Can I nail it?
Yeah. So, hello everyone. So, I'm gonna be doing like a week of my life video. So, today's Monday, and it's a bank holiday today, so I wasn't working. So, I'm up at Danny's flat, and right now we're just gonna go for food. It's quite late because we had a late start. Yeah.
Chili and something oil.
So, we just finished eating. And we couldn't really talk in there because it was really quiet.
You filming me right now?
Yeah, I just feel awkward filming myself. We couldn't really talk in there because there was like 4 people and it was really quiet.
Are we
so I
walking?
just felt very awkward. But
You're walking quite close, going on.
I'm sorry, I'll step away from you. So I had a chicken curry like rice broth thing. What did you have?
Char siu, noodles,
And we had a wee side of something.
gyoza, chicken gyoza.
Yeah.
I think
So,
that's how you say it.
That was it. Now we just went to the shops there, got some bread, got some cookies.
Rich and chocolatey.
Yeah.
I can't press on pause. I don't have the hands.
I'll just take it. So we're back at the flat now, just saying hi to Rebecca.
This is horrific. Absolutely not. It would be unusual for rheumatic heart disease to come.
Hello.
Last night was a Met Gala, and I'm about to go onto Vogue's website and look at everyone's outfits, what everyone wore. I think I'm going back to Danny's flat tonight because he has an exam on Thursday, so that means I'm not going to go tomorrow. I was going to work out, but it seems there's no time, and I also couldn't really be bothered. My face looks really blotchy because I just got out of the shower, but I'm about to go to Danny's now. I've not put on any makeup. Wait, let me just try again. We're now going to get dinner. I think we're just going to get pizza or something. We're going to make some nachos. Yeah.
Wait for the day.
I already kind of did one, but I guess you could do one now. So my joggies are Adidas, obviously. I have this bralette on. Oh.
Where are these socks from?
I'm actually unsure, I don't know.
Wow.
This jumper is from Princess Thing.
Look at that flat tum.
Wow, thank you. This bralettes from Urban Outfitters, and I had to put it on because it's short. The jumper's from eBay, but it's not really part of the look.
No, not the lookbook.
Outfit of the day. Keep this PG.
Jeans from H&M, that's where they're from.
Jackets from Rab.
Wab jacket. Got an Endura jumper, it's a cycling brand.
Wow.
Socks are Primark, slides are Nike. Got a hole in one of the socks.
Ugh.
You mean
So,
film?
no, it's okay, I'll just wait. Then we can both be in. So we're going to Waitrose, but I don't like Waitrose. What are your thoughts about Waitrose?
That might be cheap cheese.
Disgusting.
Is that allowed? Is that allowed?
So I just got home, so I didn't really film that much this evening. We just kind of sat and watched Grey's Anatomy for a while. We've been really into that recently. Love it, except it's getting really dramatic and I don't really know if I can take it. So it's Wednesday, I'm just home from work and I'm gonna go work out because if I don't do it now, then I won't do it. I've got a big list of things that I need to do tonight. I literally wrote like a to-do list on my phone. So yeah, not excited to do all that. Hello! Look at my legs. Oh. So I just made a smoothie, so I'm gonna drink this and then shower, obviously. I'm not trying to brag, but I literally make the best smoothies. Like, my smoothies are so good. I've got this video here that like I'm about to upload, I think. I don't really know. It's a what I eat in a day, and it's just like, it's not bad, but there's just not much to it. Like, I feel like I'm getting really, like, particular about my videos and really not liking, like, every single one I do. I feel like it's just, none of them were how I want them to turn out, if that makes sense. I don't know. But I'm probably going to upload this anyway. So I just finished tidying my room. I'm literally like wearing my pajamas. But I have that bag I need to take downstairs. I also, right now, have been writing in my diary. This is an actual diary, not like a journal. But yeah, I really like it, so I thought I'd show you. It's from Waterstones. However, it's like a year, like a school year diary kind of thing. So it ends in June, I think. I feel like I've got so much to like update you guys on, but I don't know if I should just do, like I was gonna do like a get ready with me and just talk about so many things, or just like sit and chat for a while. and I feel as though like in a vlog it's not going to be that interesting. I'm now just about to make dinner. I think I want to make like a bolognese kind of thing. I've got some corn mince that I'm gonna try use, but I've never cooked it before. I have had like a bolognese with it, but my boyfriend made it and I don't remember how he did it. So I'm gonna look up like a bolognese recipe and then just put the corn in instead of mince. So I hope it's nice. So I finished making my dinner. Definitely made way too much. But it actually tastes quite good. I used to always say I was such a bad chef, but I don't think I give myself enough credit. Okay, take that back. The veg is a wee bit raw. Clara! Hello! I am so rusty at the piano because I haven't played in so long. And it makes me so sad. I don't know why. I just didn't play for a while and now, like, I can still like read all the music and stuff, but there was a couple of... Hello! There was a couple of tunes I know off by heart and now I just can't remember any of them. Looking cute. Oh my... Clara, what are you doing? I think I'm gonna end my vlog here for today, but yeah, I think I'm just gonna read some of my book because I really want to finish that. I hardly got anything ticked off of the list that I was talking about earlier, so that's just typical me. So yeah, I will see you tomorrow. So it's Thursday, I'm finally wearing some makeup. This is gonna be really quick. I'm kind of under a time limit. Danny finishes his last exam at 4 and I want to try and get up to his flat before he finishes, but I don't know. I really hope I can make it. I thought I'd show you my outfit quickly though before I go. I really want to get an Instagram as well. But so basically I'm just wearing, wait, let me move this plate. So basically I'm just wearing this green like cropped corduroy jacket shirt kind of thing with like this lace bodysuit underneath, and then I'm wearing these trousers that are like flared and cropped. I really like these trousers, but I feel like they're kind of unflattering and make me look really short. I like them anyway. I'm gonna put in some earrings as well. Yeah, so I just wanted to show you my outfit before I went. Okay, so I've just arrived. I'm trying to hold my phone down so no one judges me. But I'm just about to go to the shops really quick before he comes out because I usually like to get him something like when he finishes his exam, and because this is his last one, like I really want to get him something, so there's people walking past.
Suppose you'll never know.
So right now we're just watching Grey's Anatomy.
Gwen's Anatomy.
And Danny's playing. It's a computer game. Yum.
I'll film all three of you.
I don't
So
want to
looks
talk.
like-
I don't want to talk either.
Yeah, but then it looks like you've got friends.
I don't want to talk.
Those guys are, that's really awkward for you now, isn't it?
I look like a marshmallow. So, it's been a couple hours since we had our Domino's. Ellen and Becca just got some Starbucks, but we didn't get any because it's expensive. And now we're gonna get snacks. And we're gonna watch a movie or something.
Wow.
I don't have a thumbnail.
What? What?
What are you doing?
Just everything.
Oh.
You know, just the nightlife in tune.
That's where we went the other day for dinner.
Yeah, in there.
Di-fi.
Was it good?
Yeah. Well, yeah. Oh no, this isn't me talking to the camera. This is something I was gonna say to you off camera. Thumbnail, right? Because stop filming.
Does she look like a marshmallow?
Yeah. So I just got home. I didn't really vlog much. I went out with Claudia because she just came back from uni. But we went out for lunch and then went shopping, spent some money that I really shouldn't have. I didn't really want to vlog much of it because, you know, I haven't seen her in ages. I haven't edited any of this vlog. and I'm really worried it's going to be really boring. Okay, so I decided I would do a haul just because I really don't know how interesting this whole vlog is. So I thought, you know, I would just show you a couple of the things I got to make it a bit more interesting. I probably will still add these to the haul that I'm planning on filming. Maybe we'll do that this weekend. I'm just waiting for a package to arrive from Meshki. So I got this top. It was only like £3, so I was like, I'll just get it. I feel like I could maybe style it quite nice during summer. Yeah, £3. Then I got these joggies, just some plain grey joggies. I got them in a small because I wanted them to be like a wee bit oversized. I really like the whole joggies look that everyone's doing, but where I live, all the BAMs wear grey joggies, so like I was kind of unsure about them because I don't want to look like a BAM. I feel like some of you won't even know what a BAM is. I don't really know any other names for them, so that's why I was kind of unsure, but I do like when people style joggies really cool, so I was like, I'm just gonna get a pair. They were only £5, so I was like, I'll just buy them. I don't know if I'll be able to style them well, but if not, they're comfy anyway. I also got this jumper. It was on sale for £3, but it's very, very boxy and oversized. I really like the neck though, and I feel like underneath like coats in the winter it will look really nice. Then I also got some earrings, so I got these hoops. They were on sale. Thought they were quite nice. And then I got just like a pack of silver hoops and a pack of gold hoops. I did buy a big pair of silver hoops the other day from Nasty Gal. I'm not sure if I've already told this in the vlog, but they were very, very big. I didn't realise how big they were going to be, and they also broke when I opened them, so love that. I didn't really get that much, but I'm kind of annoyed because I'm meant to be saving my money for clothes that I can wear in Sicily, which I can't really wear any of them. I just got the newest Vogue in the mail, so gonna go through this. If you actually don't know, I really want to do a room tour at some point, and you'll see this in the room tour, but I'll tell you now. I have an insane amount of Vogue magazines. I've been getting them since like November 2014, I think. My mum hates them because they take up so much room in my bedroom, but yeah, I just won't throw them out. But yeah, I really want to do a room tour at some point because I think I'm moving out in September, so obviously my room's going to change a lot because I'll be taking stuff with me. But I feel like I keep waiting until it's like perfect, but I feel like it's just never really going to be perfect. So I know I probably look really good right now. I just woke up. It's like 10 maybe. My voice is like gone. It looks like a really nice day, which I'm excited for. So I just did my makeup. I quite like it. I usually don't put on like anything on my lips because I don't think I suit it, but yeah, this is what I've done today. I don't know what to wear, which is my current issue, and I need to do my hair, and then I'll be ready for the day. So I chose an outfit finally, but I don't really know how I feel about it. I'm wearing this top. I think it's from like Pretty Little Thing or something like that, and I'm wearing my flares, and then I've got this like jacket over it, which I bought when I was like 12 or something like that. I was looking for a different jacket, but I don't know. I can't decide. I just don't really have a lot of like light jackets that I could wear right now. Okay, I buttoned it up and I think I actually quite like it like this. I'm still not 100% sure. I also just changed my earrings to these ones, the new ones I bought. So I think this is my outfit. Yeah. Anyway, I spent way too much time trying to figure this out, and now I need to find something for tomorrow because I think I'm staying at Danny's tonight, and I also don't think I'm gonna have enough time to film the video I wanted to film, but it's okay. There you go.
It's like we're in a foreign country, isn't it?
Not really. I can see you. I thought you were gonna scare me. This just doesn't look very good.
Quite like the orange eye too. I quite like it.
Wow. Okay. Just getting my shock. purchases?
I dare you to eat an egg.
A raw one.
No, like just a whole one, like that.
Does this make you feel uncomfortable?
It's got a big nose, didn't it? It came off clean, didn't it? There we go. Clean as a whistle.
Hi guys, so basically I really haven't vlogged at all today. It's Sunday. We had a bit of a change of plan. Danny and I were meant to be going shopping, but we ended up having to take Elle to the hospital, and we decided it's not going to go shopping, so we're going to go on like Tuesday I think instead. Obviously I wasn't going to film at the hospital, so yeah, I really have nothing to offer you today. I'm so exhausted, literally, like I can't even move. I feel like there was more I was going to tell you and I've just lost it. I'm kind of having like an off day. I just feel a bit like emotional and like tired and drained, and my life is so hard. But yeah, I'm kidding. Anyway, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Oh, I'm actually also about to wait, I'm gonna sneeze. I'm actually about to accept my offer for uni accommodation, so that means I'm officially moving out. I'm really excited, really nervous. I'll talk more about that in a future video. I just thought I would mention that. I also wanted to give you all an outfit of the day because I quite liked my outfit today. However, I am so exhausted that I literally like can't stand up. So I thought, you know, I'll give you an outfit of the day for my bed. So I'm wearing this jumper from ASOS, I think. It's cropped, high neck, 1/4. Wearing my Adidas joggies, you know, as you can see, Adidas. And then I've got some socks, Kappa socks I think they are. I also tucked my joggies into my socks. I don't know, tell me what you think. Also I really need to put my duvet cover on my sheet, but we'll do that later. And then I was wearing my Reebok shoes. So hope you all enjoyed that. Wee bit different. So I'm gonna go now. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Hope it wasn't too boring. Let me know if you like vlogs. I do finish work in the next couple weeks, so I'll probably have more to show. I don't know. But yeah, I'll see you in my next video.